Good afternoon, everyone. David Paul speaking. It's just after the Open, the American Open, should I say. I'm looking at VectorVest UK, and the situation is that the short-term trend of the London stock market turned down on the 18th of February, and both the medium and the long-term trend have followed suit. So our advice is not to buy some shares at this time, and we've been saying that now for the last couple of weeks. However, there is some opportunity, and in Unisearch, we have lots and lots of different searches to look for shares that fit different trading plans. And I'm looking at a technical search today. It's called the Jewels, and it was in fact put together by Jerry at our office in North Carolina, who's primarily a technical trader. And it looks for shares that are growing earnings. It looks for shares that are in the throes of an uptrend, a strong uptrend, that are temporarily oversold. So it puts together the technical position and the fundamental position of the share. Now, the share that came out of that search when I did it a few minutes ago was Softcat. And Softcat, the fundamentals are reasonable. And I've got the share loaded here, and as you can see, it's been in the throes of a strong trend as defined by two moving averages. The short is above the longer term. We've got a stochastic indicator that was designed by an old friend of mine called George Lane a very long time ago, and the computer in fact has put together all the pieces of a trend, good fundamentals, and a share that's temporarily oversold. Now, I like the look of this share. It's making rising bottoms, but the stochastic is making falling bottoms below 20. And the share seems to be running sideways here to support in what technicians would refer to as a flag pattern. Now, our advice is not to buy anything, and that's darn good advice. And I'm certainly not going to do anything until we get advice on the front page of VectorVest, a green light to buy some shares. But it looks to me as if this little company has got more legs in it to the upside. It's up a tad today, I see, but I would have thought that once this little flag breaks to the upside, that there's quite a bit more in it. Now, the search normally comes out with 3 or 4 shares a day. The search is the search that I used to find the Hollywood Bowl last week, in fact. So, nothing to do, folks. As I said in previous videos, doing nothing is an awful lot harder than it looks. So, sit in your hands and let's just allow this market to bottom out if it does bottom out, and I'll do my best to try and report on opportunities. But when the market bottoms out, this company looks as if it's got more legs in it. I would expect that this £6.50 to £8 range is repeated on the upside, which would take it to about £9. Thanks very much. Bye bye.